Hey guys, so today we're looking at XRP USDT 5-minute chart and we're going to be comparing GainzAlgo Pro and Super Trend. So as you can see, I have already both of those indicators on my chart and the difference is clear already. But we're going to go through each of these trades that you could have done using both Super Trend and GainzAlgo Pro, and we're going to see which indicator performs better. So starting with right now, the first trade here. So here, as you can see, Super Trend would have told you to short, but the thing is, some people might think, oh, I would have shorted, somewhere at the top here. No, just because this, line here is so high doesn't mean this is where, Super Trend would have told you to enter. Super Trend would have only told you to enter, and the confirmed entry would have only been at the close of this candle. So you would have entered the short position right here, and then you would have only exited this trade after this candle had closed. So basically right here, as you can see, this would have resulted in a loss, right? Now GainzAlgo then told you to buy, right? Super Trend also told you to buy, but look when Super Trend told you to buy and look when GainzAlgo Pro told you to buy. So with GainzAlgo Pro, right after the signal came out, you would have entered, let me actually get a line here, the trend line, you would have entered once again after this candle closed, right after it's confirmed, you would have entered right here, right, this long position. With Super Trend, you would have entered this buy position. As you can see, it gave it right after, right with this candle, so after it would have closed. So you would have entered your long position following Super Trend right here. Look at this difference, right? Had you entered your long position, dude, there's literally no room to make profit, right? It literally told you to buy at the very top. Right? I mean, that's just obviously, not a great indicator. And the problem with indicators like Super Trend and all the other ones is that they're based on like moving average and other lagging indicators, and it always results in these late entries, which are useless. I mean, like imagine buying here. You're basically buying at the very, very top. It would have been far better to actually short here rather than buy, right? So anyway, so as you can see, I mean, had you bought here and then look, according to Super Trend, you would have exited your trade right here. So once again, look at that, a big loss once again, right? So you would have once again entered here following Super Trend and you would have exited here. Boom, another loss, right? It's like, what's even the point of this indicator? Now with GainzAlgo, had you entered here and exited here, right? Once again, as you can see, we got a sell signal, the candle closed, boom, that's it. Now you might say, okay, but GainzAlgo has to be a repainting indicator, right? Like there's no way it actually tells you, to buy here and sell here in real time. Well, it actually does, and we have many videos where we used the TradingView's replay mode to show exactly how GainzAlgo prints its signals in real time. So if you want to see it printed in real time, these signals, then check out our other videos after this one. So as you can see, the first trade here, the first two trades using the Super Trend indicator would have been both losses, right? Horrible. With GainzAlgo, so far we would have had that win here, as you can see, this beautiful trade. Then we would have had a short trade, right? So remember when I said it would have been better to buy when Super Trend was telling you to, or it would have been better to short when Super Trend was telling you to buy? Well, that's what GainzAlgo was also thinking, just like me, right? It would have, as you can see, told you to short here, right? And look what happened. The market went down. And then there you go, right? Once again, you would have entered the short position after the sell signal, the candle where you got the sell signal closed. So this, signal would have been confirmed. And then you would have, exited your short position right after this buy signal was printed and the candle closed. So as you can see, again, profitable trade. With Super Trend, right, it wouldn't even have told you to short here, right? You would have, this whole time, if you followed GainzAlgo, you would have been in a short position. With Super Trend, you would have still been buying when the market was clearly going down, right? As you can see, it's terrible. Then once again, Super Trend back with its lagging, and late signals. You would have entered the short position, right, according to Super Trend, and you would have gotten out, right, right here. Once again, another loss. Super Trend so far would have lost you 3 times. With GainzAlgo, instead of shorting here, you would have actually then bought here, right? Shortly after you would have entered that short position if you followed Super Trend. Boom, profitable trade. As you can see, GainzAlgo has been so far, 3 for 3, and Super Trend has been 0 for 3. Like, it's just, it's just laughable, right? Like, I don't, that's the thing with these free indicators, they're just useless because they're lagging. That's the biggest issue. So as you can see, then you would have bought here following GainzAlgo, sold here. As you can see, it's a small trade, but it's profitable, right? Unlike all of these trades that you would have done with super trend, right? Super trend would have then told you to buy. Once again, look, you would have bought at the very top. It's just like, what do you mean is this? So you would have bought at the very top, right? And then you would have closed your trade at the bottom here, right? As you can see, another massive loss. I mean, you would be better off doing the opposite of what super trend is telling you to do than how it is intended to be used. Anyways, then with GainzAlgo, would have actually shorted here when super trend would have told you to buy, and you would have, as you can see, closed this trade right here. So this would have been, the market wasn't very volatile here. It would have been a long trade, but as you can see, it certainly would have been a profitable one. Now with super trend, you would have, then entered a short position here when the market started going up. I mean, it's just, the super trend indicator is just, honestly, I mean, it's just stupid. And we still currently have that 80% sale for GainzAlgo. So if you want to get it, so I'm currently using, by the way, GainzAlgo Pro. That's the version that we use. We also have GainzAlgo Standard, but I definitely recommend getting the Pro version, as it is the best. And it basically has many other features, like you can adjust the settings here, as you can see, and stuff like that. You can customize the signals, so you can have TradingView alerts, and there are many more other features. Also, we don't have monthly reoccurring payments. GainzAlgo, you only have to buy it once to get lifetime access. So if you guys want to get it, go to GainzAlgo.com. I'm also going to leave the link in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.